Greetings, loyal subjects of King White's court. Today we're talking about converting mixed numbers to improper fractions and improper fractions to mixed numbers using models. First off, if we look at our mixed number, we have 2 and 1/3. So, what we're going to do is we're going to look at our denominator, because that's going to tell us how many equal parts we need to break our fraction bars into. I'm going to draw my fraction bar. And I'm going to split into 3 equal parts, because that's what my denominator tells me to do. 1, 2, 3 equal parts. Now I'm going to shade all of that fraction bar in, because I need to shade in 2 holes. So 1 hole's been shaded in, but I need 2 holes. So I need to go and create a second fraction bar. I need again to split into 3 equal parts. And then I need to shade it in. This will be my second hole. So I've shaded my 2 holes. Now I need to shade in my 1/3. So again, I'm going to draw a third fraction bar. I'm going to split it into, you guessed it, 3 equal parts, because that's what my denominator says. And I'm going to shade in one of them for 1/3. Finally, I need to turn it into an improper fraction. So I'm going to count how many third size pieces I have. Denominator always stays the same. So I've got 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 4/3, 5/3, 6/3, 7/3. So 2 and 1/3 equals 7/3. Next, changing an improper fraction to a mixed number. Again, the most important thing is to look at your denominator, because that's going to tell you what to break your fraction bars into. So I'm going to draw my fraction bar, and I'm going to split it into 4 equal parts, because that's what my denominator tells me to break it into. 1, 2, 3 lines make 4 equal parts. My numerator in my improper fraction tells me how many of those 4 size parts I need. So I need 7. So I'm going to start shading in until I have 7 parts. 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts. Well, I need 7. So I need to draw yet another fraction bar. Split it into, you guessed it, 4 equal parts, because that's what my denominator tells me to do. And I've already shaded in 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to get to 7/4. So 4 plus 1 more is 5, 6, 7, and finally comes my last part, where I have to count out how many whole fraction bars are shaded in. I've got 1 whole fraction bar shaded in. And what fraction, how many fourths, what part of a whole do I have shaded in? So I have 1, 2, 3 parts out of 1, 2, 3, 4 total parts. Again, denominator never changes. So 7/4 is equal to 1 3/4. Okay, that's it for today. See you tomorrow.